So this is pound yen analysis for Monday the 15th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the pound yen, we've seen prices didn't quite get towards that 149.10, head up towards that 149, so a pretty strong sales momentum, take it through the 48.61 all the way down towards that 47.35. Had a brief rally away from 47.35, closed the market, gap down at the open, rally failed, and we do seem poised for continued fall in momentum here down towards that 146.38 here on the pound against the yen. So if we are to see this continued sales momentum, if we do break beyond the 46.38, looking to target that 146 and beyond that to downside if there is sufficient volatility, maybe see that 45.11 tested and possibly even that 44.78 here on the pound against the yen. If we do find major supports here around the 146.38 or that 146, looking to target at 147.35, successful break from which we then target at 148.46 and a 148.61 here to the upside. We don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 148.61 or that 148.46 here if we are to see a great degree of bullishness return to the market. Beyond the 144.78, I wouldn't anticipate price to move much beyond the 144.78 here to the downside on Monday the 15th of October. So we'll have a look here at the weekly chart, and over here on this weekly chart, we can see here there's a degree of indecisiveness here on the pound yen. I suppose we should look at what's happened more recently. More recently, we've had prices post a series of lower highs. We've found supports, and for the past couple of weeks, we've had a pretty consistent bullish weeks. There's the odd pin bar in there, and so do have that rather large week suggesting a pretty strong rejection. But more recently, previous week, we did close near our lows. We have gapped down the market, so we'll see if we do have a bit of a pullback, post a somewhat lower high, and see the upwards continuation here on the pound yen in the coming weeks. So from a weekly chart perspective, see a bit of a pullback, post a possibly higher low relative to the previous lows, and go on to make new highs and see a continued recovery here on the pound yen. See if we do get a bit of a recovery on the pound yen and realign with the overall trend that was that did appear to be developing a slow move here to the upside on the pound yen, or we will see a deeper retracement, failure to post possibly a higher low and possibly post a series of lower highs and see prices start to decline further. But overall, the prior trend being to the upside here, may just post that higher low and see that further continuation in the coming weeks or so here on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much just wraps up the hold on, let's just have a look at the daily chart before we wrap up. So on this daily chart on the pound yen, we have lows, we have higher lows. We've had this rally to the upside towards that 49.10, and we've got that 47.35 here. We're on a bit of a trading range for the past couple of weeks here on the pound yen, bit of a flag, bit of a bull flag that was developing here on the pound yen. Upper end of trading range being around that 149.10, and lower end being around that 147.35. We've actually gapped down below the lower end of the trading range, and we've had this rally to the upside, reject that 400 period moving average. So we do seem poised for a test of 46.38. Failure to hold that 46.38, possibly looking for prices to head down towards that. Let's just see what that level is. 44.36 is it? Let's just have a look here. So the level that we are looking at, if we do see this continuation here to the downside, we are looking for moves down towards our 44.36 from a daily chart perspective, 43.78, and beyond that 43.19, 42.80. Previous area found a pullback support here on the pound yen, and beyond that we're looking for moves down towards our 142 and our 140.75 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.